7 arrested, gun, vehicle and cash seized in drug-related operation in St. James.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
7 men suspected to be significant players in the illicit drug trade were arrested in a major security operation led by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Division C-TOC in Montego Bay, St. James on Wednesday. Among the 7 are 2 prominent party promoters and the son of a former PNP councillor. One of the party promoters is a former employee at the Tax Administration of Jamaica. Some of the men who have been detained are believed to be connected to the 3 Jamaican police officers who were arrested in the United States last week after being held allegedly smuggling quantities of cocaine. The operation, which commenced about 3 a.m., lasted for over 11 hours. Although the operation was led by C-TOC, they received support from law enforcement personnel from the U.S. Homeland Security Department and the Jamaica Defense Force. The men arrested are facing the possibility of extradition to the United States. Law enforcement officials carried out operations in the communities of Ryan Park, Westgate, Granville, Mount Salem. Among the men detained are suspected members of a major transnational drug trafficking syndicate. The Jamaican associates of the ring are believed to operate under the moniker O5. The syndicate is believed to be behind the illegal exportation of large quantities of drugs to the United States and elsewhere in North America, as well as to Europe. A large number of electronic devices, cash in both foreign and local currency, with a value in excess of Jamaican $1.2 million, a BMW X6 motorcar, as well as a licensed firearm, were seized in line with the ongoing investigations.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.